Namaste everyone, my name is Acharya Pratishtha and today we are going to practice Shashank Bhujangasana. In the previous videos, we have learned Shashankasana and Bhujangasana. So it's going to be a mixture of it, you'll understand later. The benefits of this asana are that it improves our kidney, liver and other organs. It also makes our back flexible. So let's start. For this asana, first you have to lie down by your stomach like this. And then you have to come in Bhujangasana. Don't lift up your legs now. And then go in the position of Guru Pranam Asana. Let's do it one more time. Like this. You can do this exercise 5 times a day. Bye. Namaste.